Be honest, has a credit card ever felt like free money? You tap, you swipe, packages show up, and life feels amazing, until the bill arrives and you're staring at it like, wait, did I really buy all this? If that hit a little too hard, stick around. Because today we're breaking down 7 credit card myths Gen Z seriously needs to stop believing. Myth 1. Credit cards equals free money. Nope, you're borrowing money, and interest is waiting in the shadows if you don't pay on time. Myth 2. Minimum payment is enough. A minimum payment just keeps the card active. It does nothing to stop interest from snowballing in the background. Myth 3. Using credit cards ruins your score. Actually, smart usage boosts your score. Paying bills on time and keeping balances low shows banks you're responsible and trustworthy. Myth 4. Maxing out the card is normal. Even if your limit is high, using too much drags your score down. Staying under 30% shows you're in control, not spending without thinking. Myth 5. Cashback means free rewards. Only if you're spending wisely. Don't spend $500 just to earn 5 in rewards. That math is not on your side. Myth 6. Credit cards are only for emergencies. Actually, credit cards are also tools for building financial history, unlocking better loans, and building discipline early. Myth 7. I'll figure it out later. With money, later usually means more expensive. The sooner you learn, the cheaper the mistakes. So, treat your credit card like a tool, not a wallet. Use it with a plan, not on impulse, and it'll always work in your favor. Ready to swipe smarter and stress less? Follow the channel. We're making Gen Z unstoppable with money.